Anjuman Faizul Islam Urdu Primary School, Assistant Teacher Miss Nausheen Khan, Headmistress Mrs. Samina Sheikh. Subject English. Standard First, Unit 1.4, a poem Roly Poly. Listen and repeat. First I will read for you. Listen very carefully. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, in. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, do your left side. Roly poly, do your right side. Now you listen and do action. Roly poly, up, up, up. You have to keep your hands up. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Keep your hands down, 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 down. Roly poly, in. Keep your hands in. Roly poly, out, out, out. Outside your hands. Roly poly, do your right. Your right hand side you have to do roly poly. Very good. Roly poly, do your right. Roly poly, do your left in your left side. Very good. Thank you.